It's all about the shaker of life. So let me tell you about this, because Stephanie Barner's with us. This is a company, first and foremost, it is a family-owned company. What you're getting today, the shaker card, this is an all-in-one kit, so you get absolutely everything and a lot of it, everything that you need to make these fun shaker cards. I love shaker cards. You go to the stores, you see the shaker cards, they're so expensive. So this is brand new. It is also exclusive, available only here at HSN. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi there, nice to meet you.
So fun. Tell me about this.
Okay, well, I designed this kit exclusively for HSN and all the viewers because I wanted to do a shaker kit that was a little bit different, and so I designed everything to go together. So for example, and let's probably go over what we're gonna get in the kit so then I can show you actually how to make them. So what you're gonna get in the kit is you're gonna get 4 dies. Now these dies will go through any machine that you have at home, so you don't have to worry about that. You're gonna get a bag of sequins. You're gonna get epoxy dots. You're gonna get some fun acrylic pieces. You're gonna get a sticker sheet. Don't forget, everything goes together. You're gonna get some windows for the shakers.
Oh, cool.
Then you're gonna get these foam pieces. Now, when you get these foam pieces, that's gonna give you the height to make the shakers, but you're also gonna get these random circle extra pieces. You're gonna cut these up and put these and make these pop squares or pop-up dots for the other projects. So you don't throw those away. You're also going to get 24 sheets of double-sided cardstock paper, pattern paper.
Fun.
Now my paper is made in the United States. Listen to how thick, this is 1 sheet. That's how thick it is. It's very thick cardstock, double-sided. Everything goes together. You're gonna get 2 of each design.
Excellent.
And then you're gonna make shakers. Now, not only do you get to make shakers, you're also gonna make just regular cards. So for example, let's just look at a regular card. Here is just a regular card, cute, decorative. We're using a lot of the pieces in here, the paper, the stickers. We're using foam. You can see the extra foam behind that. Can we see that, how it's popped up there? We're using those extra foam circles, just cutting those up. But now we're also going to be making shakers. Now, shakers are fun.
They're like a party in your hand.
You can hear them. They're just fun.
Yeah,
and they just add a little bit. It's like a party. And people just get so excited. It's not like putting confetti in the envelope and you know it explodes everywhere and people get so mad because then they have to go to vacuum.
Exactly.
No, this is all self-contained. It's going to stay in there. You don't have to worry. And then you can do fun things like this. Here we put an acrylic piece in there. So now we have not only our sequins in there, but we also have the acrylic piece also.
Oh, fun.
Now, then here's one with the little flowers on top of it. You're getting the 4 dies, but there's lots of different options with those dies because you can interchange them. Whoops, here we go. You can interchange them. So those circles fit inside the other circles, so you can mix and match, add different die cut designs. Here we go. Here I added the little circle to the inside, and then you can decorate them. You can layer them. You can do whatever you want. Here's a cute little you could just little ornament if you wanted to do a little ornament. Great? And this is also, hopefully you guys all picked up those inspirational words I went on this morning.
Had those on earlier this morning with Guy, and I know they were like really popular.
Yes, they might even be sold out by now. But here's a cute one with so you could turn it into a flower or a circle, whatever you want it to be. Look at that. Now, let's put one together because I want everyone to see. Somebody mentioned on Facebook today, they said, you know, Stephanie, they don't know you're all about easy cards. And I'm like, you're right. I need to show everybody that I'm all about easy. If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it.
Right.
So here I've taken a piece of cardstock and I literally took one of the dies and die cut this little out. And then I added another color right there. So now when I open and close it, that's all it is right there, okay? That's it, easy peasy. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these foam shapes and I'm gonna peel it off. It already has the adhesive on it.
Oh my, I was just gonna ask you that.
There's my adhesive, it's already on there. You don't have to worry about that. And we're gonna line this up. Oh, it's so easy. The kids can do this, get the kids involved on this. Now we're gonna line this up, and it's hard to do because I'm not looking at it exactly. There we go. Press, press, press. Then we're gonna lift up the second sheet. And then let's add our cute little embellishments here. So let's add some little sequins.
And you can really add anything at all, right?
Anything you want. And you don't need to add as many as you think you do. But you know what? I have to add a little flower in there just because, you know, I have to, right? Now we're gonna take one of the windows.
And then you had the adhesive on the other end too when you peeled that off.
Exactly. So now I've already peeled off that adhesive backing. So fun. Now I'm gonna lay this down.
Yeah.
And then just for kicks, I've already added adhesive. I've already die cut this because you're getting all the dies. And don't forget, the dies are gonna last you forever. So you can recreate these over and over again. And I'm gonna lay that down, and I'm doing this kind of backwards here. But now you're gonna see, I have my cute little shaker.
How
with
fun
a little
is
piece in
that?
there. Isn't that fun?
Well, and it
you can
is
just
a
play with it all
customer
day.
pick, by the way. And you know, so
Awesome.
and this is brand new. This is totally exclusive, only here.
Yes.
And we have about 1,000, I think, only of these to go around.
Oh, no.
But you know, there's fewer than that. But you know, it's so funny because there are so many times with crafting, like maybe you excel at one thing, but you've always, gosh, I've always wanted to make a shaker card, but how do I do it? And and to go out individually, right, and pick up all of the different pieces.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when it's confusing, isn't it, Stephanie, to know everything you need?
And that's true. People always say, how do I make a shaker card? I don't understand the layers and the recipe. Well, for those of you that don't understand the layers in the recipe, don't worry. We have a handy dandy idea book. It's gonna show you step by step how to put it together, and then lots of different ideas. The ideas that I'm showing you today, you can see them, you can get the supplies needed. Most of them are all in the kit already. So you don't have to worry. All of the paper matches the cardstock, matches everything, so everything just goes together.
And by the way, keep in mind also, in $26.95, you get all of this over here. And then today, it's crafting day, so you know we have a great special. It's $5 to ship everything. So what that means, if you started shopping at midnight, you can buy 5 items, you could buy 500 items. We will ship everything to you for only $5. That's one of the big pluses on shopping today. And you have 30 days. But look at all the fun different ideas.
One. Isn't this one cute? This one's made into a flower, a thank you card. So that's really fun. Move that. And then here, again, here's with those inspiration words. I really want you guys using those inspiration words that you've all picked up this morning. And this one's a shaker too. So it has the little flower in front, and then you have the shaker as well.
Nice, nice. I love it. And all of it today, 669-459 is your number. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much fun.
Thank you. That was great.
All right, so definitely do not miss it. New today. So take advantage of that one as well.